Today we are here to present our model on social responsibilities of business towards environment. So, social responsibilities of business refers to the responsibilities that a business should provide reasonable profits to their consumers towards various interest groups. Now the types of responsibilities like legal responsibility, that a business should follow the rules and regulations of government that a government provide to a business, and legal and ethical responsibility, that a business should donate in the education institutes, or economic responsibility, that a business should earn reasonable profits by providing the special facilities to their consumers and customers. So a business has the responsibilities towards the community, that if a company is developed, so it provides the facilities to the community by providing schools, hospitals, NGOs for the backward areas or poor people, or for those peoples who have lack of resources. And towards government, tax, donation, exports, and avoiding political instability. Now the further topic is explained by Abdul.
As we know, the social responsibilities of business is not just to earning the profits, but also the social welfare of our society. So our next generation can grow up, fulfill their needs. So that's why we have some responsibilities like creating the jobs for our people, so the income growth of our economy is boosted, and and paying the taxes fairly to the government, so the government can work well fairly on our development of our many sectors like education and health. As we know that there is some thoughts that are famous for. One of them is, with great powers comes great responsibilities. Means that if you have a great power, then you have to take up a great responsibilities. For example, a business have a great responsibilities, uses all the resources of our environment, also using the public labor as a labor, and also creates employment for the peoples. So the business influence all the environment and the economy also. So it is the responsibilities of a business that they could have to focus on our environment. So means that if business is taking something from the environment, which so this is our main advantage, to give something back to our environment also, so that we can live properly and our next generation will grow up. In the conclusion, the business is not the burden on the peoples. It is just it is not a burden on the peoples. It makes trust, help us to get long term success in our life. Thanking you.